10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Arthur mammoth. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Want the autopilot on homing signal? Now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow. And identified.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Back in 90 seconds.
We gotta move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60
We
seconds.
can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
That was close. Computer, now!
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now! Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. I guess you made it back with you. I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Seid gegrüßt, liebe Freizeitpark- und Kirmesfreunde.